Go put on a mask, Wendell. What the hell's wrong with you?
Do not tell me that you just launched a snot rocket right at my neck. Bro, I sneezed. What do you mean? Oh my god!
I know you did not just. You got a cold bag.
Okay, what the fuck? Are you fucking with me? What? Are you fucking with me?
What?
Oh shit!
What is that?
What the f?
I would have known that little snot rocket was gonna come out of your nose.
Ew, descuidado!
Hola, cabrón.